The United States government is planning on implementing new asylum bar. Under this new rule, if you are not from Mexico and you're traveling to the United States, chances are you will be denied asylum if you traveled through a third country on your way to the United States. And there are very limited exceptions. For example, you are an unaccompanied minor, or you're a victim of human trafficking, rape, or other severe crime, or you were paroled into the United States using CBP-1 app scheduling system or parole program. But parole program is available to nationals of only 5 countries. During the initial screening at the border, the CBP officer will have to determine if the asylum transit bar is applied to the person who is in front of them. And if the bar is applied, then the officer will have to fail the credible fear interview, unless the person can demonstrate that they were subject to an exception, such as medical emergency, severe human trafficking, or imminent danger, which would rebut the presumption of ineligibility. Further, if you will be subject to that asylum transit bar, you will have to show the fear that you're facing has reasonable ground or reasonable fear standard, which is much higher than for a regular asylum seeker. If you meet the standard, you will be allowed to apply for asylum before an immigration judge. If you were found not to meet any exception, you will be able to ask an immigration judge to review your eligibility or your status. And remember, it's not even eligibility for the asylum itself, it's whether or not you would be subject to this transit bar. So as you can see, if this new proposed rule goes into effect in May, the process of requesting asylum in the United States will be very strict, very complicated, and most likely will prevent many eligible asylum seekers from receiving asylum.